Thanks for joining me for this presentation. Brother Ronnie in the kitchen. Today I'm cooking hamburgers, meat, beef, making ground beef using a blender machine for meats and other food products. I'm cut up beef, and I'm going to put it into the machine to mince the meat, the beef. So I'm getting ready to do that. I already have that preparation. I'll also be making French fries with the hamburger patties. So this is all from scratch. So I'm going to put this appliance was a good deal. It wasn't expensive to buy this. So I'm putting the meat into the appliance here. I read all the instructions for safety on using this machine. Appliance machine. And you can't put too much. I think it's 150 grams of meat in here, or whatever the food product is. First time using this machine. I purchased it not too long ago. You're supposed to run this at pulse it at no more than 30 seconds at a time. As I indicated, I'll be making the French fries, and I want to get this going first, the beef patties. Now that's getting warm, the pan is warm enough to put the patties in there. Grab a spatula. I'll be preparing the French fries to put in the deep pan to fry. French fries are almost ready, and take out of the deep pan here with cooking oil in there. In fact, I'm going to take some of these out now. Grinding meat or mincing meat. So there you have it. Here's the beef patties. Now I want to thank you for joining me today for this cooking series. Ground beef patties made from scratch and French fries at home. I'm Brother Ronnie, and join me again when I create more interesting food recipes.